I completely ruined my summer barbecue last year. Switching between a standard grill for burgers and a tiny skillet for onions was a nightmare. Half the food burned while the rest got cold. Buying a combo unit seems like the perfect fix, but it's confusing. Some have terrible heat distribution, while others rust in days. Today, we're ranking the top 5 griddle combos to save your weekend cookouts. Number 1 completely changed how I cook outdoors, but let's see which one fits your backyard best. 5. Monument Grill's 4-burner gas grill with Clearview lid and griddle. When I first got my hands on the Monument Grill's 4-burner with the Clearview lid and griddle, I was instantly intrigued by the aesthetic appeal. It boasts a sleek stainless steel design and that signature tempered glass window on the lid, which practically begs you to watch your steaks sizzle without lifting the hood and losing precious heat. Setting it up in the backyard, it felt like a substantial piece of equipment. Firing up the 4 main burners, I loaded the cast iron grates with thick-cut pork chops while reserving the included griddle plate for caramelizing a massive batch of sweet onions. The initial heat-up was impressively fast, and having an expansive 60,000 BTUs at my disposal made me feel like I had a commercial kitchen right on my deck. However, as I spent more time cooking on this unit, a few glaring issues started to surface, particularly when relying on the griddle insert. Because the griddle simply sits over the standard burners rather than integrating into a dedicated flat-top system, the heat distribution is frustratingly uneven. I found myself playing a constant game of musical chairs with my food, moving bacon from the scorching hot center to the lukewarm edges just to keep things cooking at a consistent pace. It requires a steep learning curve to master the hot spots, which isn't ideal when you're trying to quickly feed a hungry crowd on a Saturday afternoon. Another feature that turned out to be more of a gimmick than a practical asset was the much-advertised Clearview glass lid. 4. Cuisinart CGG 8500 Side-by-Side Gas Grill and Griddle. This unit attempts to solve the biggest problem with combo grills by offering 2 entirely separate cooking zones bolted onto the same cart. On paper, and during my initial unboxing, I was thrilled by the concept. You get a traditional 2-burner gas grill on the left and a dedicated 2-burner cold-rolled steel griddle on the right. I tested this by hosting a massive Sunday brunch, throwing a dozen sausage links on the grill grates while simultaneously pouring a huge batch of buttermilk pancakes onto the flat top. The sheer convenience of not having to swap out heavy cast iron plates or compromise on your cooking styles is undeniably the strongest selling point of this Cuisinart model. The actual cooking experience, however, brought a few notable frustrations that you need to be aware of before pulling out your wallet. Let's talk about the overall build quality. While the black powder-coated steel frame looks sharp and modern, the metal gauge used for the firebox and the griddle surface itself feels noticeably thin and lightweight. When I cranked both sides to high heat to get a good sear on some smash burgers, the griddle plate actually began to warp slightly in the center. While it popped back into shape once it cooled down, a warping cooking surface makes managing runaway grease and perfectly flipping delicate eggs an absolute nightmare. Speaking of grease, the management system on the CGG 8500 is one of the most baffling design choices I've encountered in a modern grill. Instead of a unified sloped cap system with a high capacity, you are dealing with 2 separate, relatively small drip cups that fill up astonishingly fast. 3. Ninja Woodfire Pro Connect XL Premium Outdoor Grill. I was initially a bit skeptical of bringing a plug-in electric grill into a heavy-duty combo ranking, but after putting this machine through its paces, I was completely blown away. The setup is remarkably compact, making it an absolute dream for apartment balcony owners, RV travelers, or anyone who just doesn't want to wrestle with heavy, unpredictable propane tanks. What makes this unit truly special is the integrated Woodfire smoke box. I fired up the app on my phone, set the temperature, ignited a handful of hickory pellets, and watched as this little electric powerhouse imparted a deep, authentic barbecue bark onto a thick rack of ribs. When you swap the standard grill grate for the Ninja griddle plate, this machine transforms into a high-end, short-order diner. The non-stick ceramic coating on the griddle accessory is arguably the best I've tested in this entire category. I cracked fresh eggs directly onto the completely dry surface, and they glided around as if I were cooking on a block of ice. Making classic diner-style smash burgers was a revelation. The heavy griddle plate holds its temperature brilliantly against the cold meat, giving me a perfectly even, caramelized crust across every single patty without a single tear or stick. The technological integration is where the Ninja completely distances itself from the analog competition. Using the intuitive Pro Connect app, I was able to monitor my dual meat probes and adjust the cooking temperature directly from my living room couch. This eliminates the stressful guesswork and the constant sweaty hovering usually required when managing an outdoor grill. 2. Blackstone Tailgater Portable Gas Grill and Griddle Combo. Blackstone practically invented the modern backyard griddle craze, and they brought all their heavy-duty, restaurant-grade expertise to this incredibly versatile dual setup. Out of the box, the Tailgater looks like it means business with its rugged industrial design. I took this exact rig on a weekend camping trip to truly test its mobile claims, and it delivered in spades. The independently adjustable legs allowed me to level the cooking surface perfectly on uneven, rocky ground, which is absolutely crucial when you're dealing with hot cooking oil and grease on a massive flat top. The physical configuration here is brilliant and incredibly modular. You get a direct heat cast iron grill grate over a robust H-style burner on one side and a classic cold-rolled steel Blackstone griddle plate on the other. You can even remove the grill side entirely and place a massive stock pot directly over the high-output cast iron burner, making it perfect for boiling corn on the cob or deep frying a holiday turkey. During my testing, I had the griddle loaded with a mountain of hash browns, bacon, and eggs, while a pot of camp coffee percolated right next to it. The sheer power of these burners, pushing out a combined 35,000 BTUs, means the wind never once threatened to blow out the flames or unexpectedly drop my cooking temperatures. What I love most about the Tailgater is the authentic, diner-style cooking experience it consistently provides. The steel griddle requires proper seasoning, just like cast iron, and over the course of my testing, it built up a beautifully slick, dark, non-stick patina that made flipping delicate fish fillets an absolute breeze. 1. Pit Boss Sportsman 2-burner gas grill and griddle combo. From the exact moment I unpacked this unit, the difference in elite engineering and material quality was glaringly obvious. Pit Boss has crafted a machine that feels like a premium, permanent fixture for your backyard, yet it remains remarkably easy to move around on its heavy-duty casters. The cast aluminum body retains heat like a professional brick oven, and the robust folding side shelves offer tons of functional prep space without feeling flimsy or cheap. I fired this up for a massive family dinner, and it immediately proved why it easily deserves the crown. The crowning achievement of the Sportsman is the deeply innovative ceramic-coated cast iron griddle surface. Unlike traditional rolled steel that requires obsessive oiling, seasoning, and aggressive scraping to prevent rust, this Pit Boss surface is practically maintenance-free right out of the box. I threw down a batch of heavily marinated fajita veggies and sticky teriyaki chicken, the exact kind of sugary mess that normally welds itself to a hot metal plate. Not only did the griddle blast a perfect restaurant-quality char onto the food, but a simple wipe with a damp rag left the surface looking brand new. It is entirely rust-resistant, meaning you can confidently leave it outside in humid weather without waking up to an orange, oxidized disaster. Performance-wise, the transition between the grill and the griddle is utterly seamless. The two premium stainless steel burners pump out a massive amount of incredibly even heat, channeled flawlessly through the thick cast iron above. I tested the standard grill grates with massive bone-in ribeyes, and the heavy crosshatch sear marks I achieved rivaled those from high-end steakhouses.